Today I show you my linoleum black block prints, how to use it and custom it, and give you some extra tricks. This is the previously applied result and preview. See the looking. You can change the background color very easily, and you can replace this tracing photo very easily. See, it's look like great and better. The noise are include. See the noise tracing nicely include, and everything is details is perfectly shown. Okay, first to go my download file. There is show some background. This is the background extra, and this is the script, and this is the help file. You need to read it written, and there is include my supporting information. See, you can very easily get the support and help. You can send a message my Facebook fan page and my WhatsApp number for reply fast, and you can email me, you can call me if you need any type of help, and there is the written format how to use it. Select and double click is loaded to Photoshop, or you can load it, go window and Photoshop. Action option click, then action option show maybe right side. I have settled it left side for better understanding purpose, and go this option and the action panel there and load action. Find out the main file, my download main file, linoleum block print. Select and load button click. Now it's loaded up and down option. This is the folder, this is the script, and this is the PNG maker. But first apply this one all in on, then make a transparent PNG. Okay, now open a photo. I have back and open. You can open any type of photo, but make sure your photo is a good quality and good shading, good lighting, a good quality photo, and you can use any high resolution image. And I have check out please check out this option. Make sure your photo is a lock icon show, and background name is background. Sometimes some photo look like PNG transparent or others format that is not accept the action. You need to fix it. If your photo is large or transparent format, so you need to right button click and fit an image. Now I set a lock background layer, and make sure your photo is a panel option. All are tick mark as it is my setting. Okay, the smaller entire document and use default. Okay, all are tick mark. Now make sure your photo is a RGB color mode show. If not, then go image mode RGB. Just click the RGB option. If show any message, just click OK. Now I show shortcut option, how to select and marks. Quick selection tool. If you select the quick selection tool, there is the show select subject button. If you must be select quick selection tool, then show the select subject button. If you select subject button, click. Now your photo is auto selection. It's working. You need to use pen tool, brush tool, but if you use the brush tool, you need to delete first your path, then you apply the script. Okay, now selection mode is on and selection option is show. So I fill up it. I create a new layer. Sorry, on click a new layer, and make sure you change the layer name. Double click the text option, then it's editable. BRUSS brush then my spelling, and click the other space. Do not use uppercase, lowercase letter, and uppercase letter and mix up character and the space, comma, hyphen or others character. Only brush, type only brush, BRUSS brush. Otherwise action make the error. And the selection mode is on, and I have select pen bucket tool. You can use the brush tool or any other tool, and click the paint bucket tool, color picker tool, and top color, I select the any light color and fill up the brush layer. Make sure you are fill up the brush layer. Now selection mode is on. You need to deselect first, then apply the script. Selection and deselect. Otherwise action face the trouble. So now is deselect, and if you do not like the full of area, you can crop the area for working purpose, fast working purpose. If your photo is more large, then it needs some time extra. Okay, I think it's perfect for me, and I match the size. There is a 3500 pixel is show. Standard size is 300 pixel, 2500 pixel, so you can use it. And I have select the brush layer. Make sure you select the brush layer and select the all-in-on, not this one, all-in-on play action. Play me, select and hit the play button. Now start working. Depend your PC configuration and image resolution size. Sorry for my stopping. Now it's working. Well, you can very easily control the tracing and control the effect, and you can move it very easily, make the transparent format very fast. This is the old style looking, like we have mentioned our cover, and this one this style is 1950 right. Okay, our action is still working. So hello there, action is done. Now we can custom. So this is the default, and there is the instruction transaction, click, code, transfer, PNG. Okay, this is the result. See the result. And if you want to the custom, you can custom very easily for using this tip. See this, and there is the our main script, and this is the tracing controller. And this one, double click this one and show the dialog box, and there the box, and you can control it the effect very easily. Watch it if you want more darkness, but I think this one is perfect for me. And now I want to work the stock look, this one, and double click the tracing, my trace controller. See, it's added very easily. Okay, and this is our motion looking. See, our noise and motion looking. And now if you want to the escape of area, so you can select the line art, this option, and select your brush, and you can select any of brush, that is your choice. You can select the hard brush, or I have select this noisy brush, and you can brush the area, which area you need to brush. Okay, and you can make it very easily. If you want, you can custom manually. See, is auto tracing. So you can use any of area using the brushing or sketching. You can add extra, so it's very easy. Okay, and now if you think the finish your job, and then you can apply, make to transparent it, or you can use this option, this effect. You can use this effect, and you can change the color. You can change color. Okay, and just OK button click, then it's okay. But if you make to PNG, you need to white option first. And now you want to make PNG, so select the make transparent PNG and hit the play button. Now our photo is like PNG. Okay, see the PNG. Do not view this one, then PNG not showing. See, do not warm this one, or layer is hide. This is the masking and this is the color. You can change the color very easily. See, you can make color changing very easily, and save PNG file, export, and quick export as PNG. Just click this one and export it. Now you can use our background template, that is fabric style. I like to use this red option. Now see the details, the fabric looking and border. We have made this for this section purpose, the block print style. Now you can go this option and it move it, or place this option, watch it, see, don't worry about the color. So select and double click, you can change very easily color. See, the looking is very nice. And if you want to the highlighted color, you can use the highlighted color, white color. See the looking, this is the negative role show because the background is dark. Okay, and we need to black option, blackish color or darkish color looking. Okay, see, is nice. And okay, I think I fixed this one. See, and you can transform it very easily. Ctrl T and make it upper and bigger. See, is very nice. And you can now save any format. And see, if you use this this photo option, so you can go there and open it, selection, all, select, copy and paste. Now we make the back option and transform it, see, and you can work there. Okay, and you can cutting it for using brush tool. Masking, you can cut. See, you can cut it the others area very easily. Now outside, you can make outside corruption. So it's user friendly, you can do yourself. Okay, this is the another looking, and you can pick the color, this option, then it's look like a grid. The finishing option is look like grid. Okay, now I show you another photo how to use and custom the animal photo. I show you our this photo, and I have checked out the size. This is very large size, and I have used 400 pixel. Quick selection tool and select subject button. And now I have create a new layer down, change the layer name, and the brush tool. I have fill up the all, but I do not need the all size. I just only need to portrait. Okay, and I have select this one, not this one, and play this one. Make sure you select this one. Okay, all in on first time, then hit the play button. It's to start working, and it's working. Now I show you the surprising of my product. You can download my product in my own site, the photoshop-action.net. There is more free file added. The free file, premium file are free, more large amount. We have uploading the free file hour, and you can purchase this there all of item hour in flash sale. We have discount, and there is the flash sale available 16%, discount now, so you can purchase the bundle and the low price, and regular product in low price, and the free section you can use the free section, file free file available, watch it, the all are free. See, this is the premium quality and premium file. There is also this is a premium, and this one is a premium we sell, this one is a premium sell, others market is premium, and there is a we have sale, you offer you the free premium free. Okay, free, you just download it, logging and download it, and you can purchase our product in our mentioned site. There is we sell also, and you can access all item in new release and popular section. Okay, my working is done now, and okay button click, and you can custom the option your pit, and double click this tracing and control the tracing, check out, and a stock outline. See, okay, I think it's perfect, and I click the select the make transparent and make the transparent. Now my photo is transparent mode, and I have open go, and any of color also you can change the color, but this time I have used this one, and move it, just mouse and move it. See, and I have transform it, you can make the color, double click and click this option. See, now it's look like great, and you can use there the cutting option, and you can use any highlighted color, but I like to this one, it's nicely so. Thanks for watch this video and purchase this product. Still, if you need it, you can join my Facebook fan page, and send a message, WhatsApp number for reply fast. You can if you interest the purchase more of product, so you can send me message, I will send you the coupon code, then you can purchase their very low price, and download available our free file.